Hello, in this video, we will learn how to use the channels feature on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell to receive all updates. First, open the WhatsApp application. Go to the Updates menu. Here, you will find a list of random channels. You can see more from here. Among the many channels, there is a green icon. This green mark means that the channel is verified by WhatsApp. You can follow any channel by tapping on the plus icon. From here, you can search in the list of the most active channels. Here, you will find the most popular channels, other channels, or by country. Select the country you want to see its channels, and the channels belonging to the selected country will appear. Finally, support us by liking the video and following us to stay updated with all our new videos. Thank you, see you in the next video.